If you are a breakout trader or a momentum trader, whatever you want to call yourself, bottom line, you're somebody that cares about those situations where you believe that if a price breaks a certain level, then that's going to create more momentum. It's going to create opportunity. So you're always on the lookout for those sorts of situations. If that would describe you and your day trading strategy, then I have a very helpful tool that's completely free that I want to share with you here that will help you in the specific regards of helping to keep track of things, because I understand when you're doing your homework and research and you're mapping out all sorts of different levels, you're identifying those key break points, and then for whatever reason, oh no, I missed it, I was right, but for whatever reason, you lost track of it, you weren't paying attention, and it did exactly what you thought it was gonna do, but yeah, you're sitting on the sidelines, not participating. So this tool is designed to help you avoid those sorts of situations. So let's go to my desktop and I'll walk you through the platform and the tool itself. So the name of the platform itself is Webull. They are who I use for my day trading charts and my technical analysis. So if you've ever watched any of my past live trade videos, that's who I'm using in those. And so they're a platform that I use myself. And if you're interested in more, you can use the link down in the description box. They're always giving away promotion, stuff like that. But point here being, so let's get into the tool itself. So again, Webull is a platform, but let's talk about the tool. And this, I'm not gonna say that there's any sort of actual coherence behind this, because I just want the alerts to actually do what they're supposed to do. So I'm not saying that any of these are actually logical areas on the chart, but let's just say that you identify this area right here at, let's call it 213.52, and you're thinking, you know what? If the price breaks down through that level, I want to know about it. So you want price below, and what did I say, 213.50. So you're going to click save. And of course I missed it. So it broke below right before I could get the alert into place. So we'll try again here, and let's just get that one out of the way. So that's one way you could do it, but let's just do this, because that actually unintentional, but that's kind of illustrate. But let's say you're like, okay, I want to know about this over right here. You can come over here, click the plus button, and right there, create alert at 213, let's just call it 30. And you want if the price goes below it, so click save. And then up here, notice the color of that bell. Notice how it is not gold. It's not yellow. It is just, a bland color. That is important, and we'll keep watching this. Again, the alert's at 213.30, so come on, drop down just a little bit more. Need this thing to come down just a little bit more to alert. But this is important because imagine if you have multiple charts, and I'm sure a lot of you do. On your monitors, you have multiple charts, and you can't be watching them all at the same time. But why that's important is when the alert goes off, it will make a noise. And I'll show you how to adjust that in just a little bit, but it will make a noise, but more importantly, that will change colors. So if you're looking at another chart and then you hear a noise, the first, okay, which one was it? Which one was it? And you're looking all around. Okay, I don't know if you heard it, but I'm not sure if the mic picked it up, but notice right there, that changed gold and that up there changed gold, meaning the alert was hit. So you hear that, okay, on one of my charts, it's getting to where I want it to be. And your eye can very quickly locate, okay, there it is. That chart's got the gold bell, and like I said, it's in a couple different spots. So your ears hear first, and then your eyes will quickly go to the level. Now, with all that being said, this is how you want to actually use it in more of a practical sense. So let's just say that the level that you've identified is down here at 212.70. Now, you don't want to wait until 212.70 to be alerted, because it's going to be too late at that point in time. So if 212.70 is the level that you actually care about, then you're going to want to give yourself a heads up. So in this situation, where you would want to set the alert is right there at 212.85. Maybe it's 212. Now this is going to vary, but the point here is as you just saw right there, don't set the alert at the level you actually care about, because you're going to want to give yourself a little bit of a heads up to, again, hear it, look around, find it. So in this situation, to reiterate, 212.70 is the level that you actually have identified as the key level that you think if it breaks could create more momentum, but you want a little bit of heads up. So in this situation right here, and again, it can be very quick, come over here, see that plus sign. So plus sign right there, click on the plus sign, create alert. Right there, 212.85 is the level. And again, we want in this situation below. So right there, you would click it, and you can see that you're now gonna have an alert down at that area. So point here being is you want to make sure that you've identified, so there we go. So I never clicked on the gold. That's why that remained gold. But you can see now it's gone back to there, the non-gold color. So little reminder there. Again, unintended, but good reminder. Make sure you click on it to get it to, not be gold. But that's how it would actually be. So the level you care about, and then this is just the warning level. So we can call that the W level, right? That's the level that's giving you a warning that the price is approaching the level that you actually care about. Now, as far as that noise is concerned, let me just get, because I have this actually not. There we go. So you would come down here on Webull, click on settings, and I really hope, come down here to notifications, and I had it set on birdsong. I hope the mic picked it up because that was also pretty. But you can go through and it gives you a bunch of them. So I don't know if the mic is picking these up. I'll try again. But I mean, you can just, whatever. Maybe the mic picked up that. So whichever one you want to do, pick that, and then you'll know when you hear that you need to go and find whatever alert that you're actually looking for. But like I said, to go back to this, couple different choices, either the right click, and now I would not do the right click because it's so nice. Just identify the level, identify the one you want, and just click right there, and then click again. And then now when you're done, you can just get rid of these, as you can see right there. But like I said, and now there's other things you can do with it, but that's beyond the scope of this. I'll let you fool around with that because I don't even know if it would fit into your strategy. But point here being is I find it very convenient because, again, just drag that. Okay, right there is a level that, so if that's what you care about, let me just come down to here. Okay, right there, there's where my alert needs to be. No, I deleted these out of here. But now you're saying, okay, I want it to be above 214.30. Just hit that save, and now you can see right there that the non-colored bell has arisen up around that level, and if it does get hit, then it's going to make that noise. It'll light up, your eyes will find it, and you'll still have time to find it. Now, if it's a stock that's really, really fast, then I don't know, maybe you want to give yourself $1 space, but that'll be a case-by-case situation in regards to what you want to set your alert at. But more of the story, if you remember anything, remember, don't put your alert at the level you care about, because as you saw in this situation, it would be too late. But find the level you care about and then give yourself that W level again for the warning. So it's really as simple as that. And those are the types of tools that I love. Very simple, but very, very powerful and useful, because there's nothing worse than identifying an opportunity and then completely missing it because you forgot about it. So like I said, simple tool, but very, very practical and very, very helpful in the world of breakout and momentum trading. So not an easy word to say. So if you have any questions or anything like that, by all means, leave those on in the comment section. Again, I'll put a link down below. If you use that link, then they're always giving away promotions for free stock or money. That is a affiliate link. So if you click on that, I will also get something for transparency's sake. But if you're looking for a way to help out the channel free of charge, then like I said, you can just use that link, and it's a win-win situation for everybody. So like I said, if you've ever been there where you've lost track of something, this tool can definitely help you in that regard. So again, any questions down below? Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.